Hi everybody, this is Jason Foreman. I'm here at 7501 McConnell's, my open house. We've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house offered at $1,300,000. We're in Westchester. This is a very popular neighborhood. It's always been a very close, tight-knit community, but it's growing in popularity. Average price for a home here is $1.4 million, and we're right down the street from Playa Vista, some of the biggest companies in the world. Google, we're right across the street from LMU. This backyard actually looks over to LMU. That's where my wife works. Big backyard, can't wait to show you guys. Let's take a look. Here we have the backyard with a gazebo and a spa, very spacious backyard, and it overlooks the bluffs by LMU. When you guys have any questions, you guys want to come in and see this home, just let me know. Jason Foreman, send me a DM or text me at 310-256-3209.